Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This is the Bones version of the Courtesan in the Townsfolk range. She's been primed in German Panzer Grey and I'm starting off with Crusted Saw. As you can tell already, not covering too well. It does end up doing about 4 coats before I move on to the next colour, just to get that opacity that you need. After painfully doing several coats of red, I used dark flesh tone to do the skin. Next up is Gory Red for the next layer of the dress. The plan is to not do any washes on her, just to do a good set of highlights to add the depth instead. This layer is more than just a highlight though. I'm looking to add a large area of coverage just to blend with the highlights more when they come in. Before I highlight the skin anymore, I use matte white to do the eyes. This way if I mess up, I can cover it with the highlight afterwards. Now that the white is dry, I started with dirt splatter to do the mid-tone of the skin. While the skin is drying, I use Bloody Red by Vallejo to do the main highlight of the dress. This is still more than a highlight, but it's a very subtle one that's coming after this, so this is more for just the raised areas. You just want to get that little bit over the top on some of them. Before the last highlight on the skin, I used Glorious Gold to do her necklace and belt. Next up is Monster Brown for the last highlight of the skin, and this is just for the raised areas now. And that will be the end of the skin. Next up is the final highlight for the dress using Mythical Orange. With orange being so translucent, it just brightens up the red instead of changing the colour. And this is just for the very tops of those creases. Just this is why you overdo it a little bit on the gory red, just to make it blend that bit more when you add this orange. Finally, I used matte black for her hair, base and pupils. I do miss painting the pupils on this, but this is where you would add them in. And that will be it for the Courtesan, another non-combatant ready to add into your world. Like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.